Gage Bilt Incorporated has been manufacturing and innovating blind rivet and lockbolt installation tools for over 60 years. We have a full line of robust commercial and aerospace hydraulic installation tools for nearly every blind rivet and lockbolt from 3/32 through 7/8 diameter. Any of our standard blue hydraulic tools can be configured to a split handle or inline split riveter for a lightweight ergonomic option. We also have a full line of all pneumatic tools for smaller aerospace and non-structural blind rivets. For big jobs, choose from our full line of hydraulic tools for installing anything through 7/8 diameter. Any of Gage Bilt's hydraulic tools have the option of an air-driven GB910 power unit, electric GB940 power unit, as well as compact power units. Are you in a fast-paced, high-production environment? Let our GB808 solve all of your issues and speed up production. Our GB808 high production power unit teams up with our fastest installation tool for any 1/4 inch blind rivet or lockbolt. Order with a pistol grip or inline option, vacuum system to collect mandrels, and control FOD. We also offer a sensor to count and store installed rivets. For those looking to really ramp up production, the GB8000 will automatically feed the next rivet into the nose assembly. The GB8000 auto feeder can be used on semi or fully automated applications to increase speed of installation. With thousands of different straight, right angle, and offset nose assemblies, there isn't an application that we can't get you into. Most noses and spare parts are even interchangeable with our competitors, making your transition to Gage Bilt tools seamless. Want to stay organized and keep your tools safe? Gage Bilt will customize your own tailored riveting kit. Accessories galore, from swage gauges, bleeder bottles, grip gauges, collar cutters, catcher bags, and much more. Gage Bilt has you covered. And finally, our latest and greatest invention, the GB5500 Lockbolt collar feeder. The collar feeder was originally designed with 3 major objectives. First was the operator's safety. We designed the collar feeder to keep the operator's fingers at a safe distance from the installation tool that can reach up to 10,000 pounds of pulling pressure. Second is FOD control. Every drop collar costs money, and it must be located and removed from the environment. And last is speed. The GB5500 automatically positions the collar in the proper orientation, eliminating operators from holding and positioning the collar onto the pin, which subsequently adds up to more installations per minute. With a small amount of air pressure in whichever direction your application calls for, the collar feeder can be specifically designed to fit your needs with many different arcs and attitudes. Gage Bilt's newly patented design is already equipped for 3/16 and 1/4 inch flanged and non-flanged collars. Feel free to contact us or a local distributor and visit our website at www.gagebilt.com. Gage Bilt Rivet Tools. Tough tools for tough jobs for over 60 years.